2013 Lucas Oil Regional Beehive.
All right, you see the LG Enterprises Custom Truck Shop pace vehicle leading them around. This is the Beehive Classic. I want to thank everybody for coming out today to Lake Elsinore, California for the Lucas Oil Regional Off-Road Series. This is presented by Cartech. I think I can be with Dynamics Black and Lucas Oil and for taking it for the Enterprises.
Done it for the night, it looks like to me. Dan Vance, Jono, Chamley, and again, Kevin Knight trying to go down underneath. Find down on the outside. Jono's up underneath. Jono's in third place now. Dan Vance pulling on fifth. Dan Vance rails and whoops. Now he's going to make it into third place. One spot ahead of Knight. Dan Vance down below. Dan Vance for second place. Brian Dunn out in the lead. 14:37. Dan Vance 14:30. We've got 14:29 today. 14:59. 14:55. Jono. And the rest of the guys. Brian Dunn way out in lead, I think. 14:37. Dan Vance 14:29. 14:16. Kevin Knight. Jonathan Libby 14:55. Beating up the top five. Too much on the night. Both of you guys, a little too much. Alright, here we go. 300's coming on. Chamley's in fifth place now. Dan Vance, Jono. Jono's coming on. Keep it up, Dan. Right, Dunn way out in the lead. Steady pace like that, he's going to win this thing. Again, 14:37, Ryan down out in the lead with the Lucas Oil Beehive. Dan Vance second place, Total Chaos truck. Potter. Jonathan is 14:55, third place. On back, Daily Driver 300, 14:92, fourth place. And Chamley fifth. No problem with Chamley, it looks like. Slowing down the middle of the track. Look back around again. Jonathan Libby trying to chase down Dan Vance. Battle for second place right there. Brian Dunn still way out in the lead. Coming on, lapping traffic now. And Dan Vance still keeps lead. 2 car lengths in front of John and Libby, no 14:55. Psychotic out of Redlands, California. And again, encountering lap traffic now. Dan Vance. John and Libby right behind him. Can he capitalize on this move on the outside? John and Libby. And it'll remain the same coming around for the fourth lap. Their lead is diminishing right down. Right down better get on the pipe. Dan Vance second place. So the battle continues. The caution flag is out. Got 1, 2, 3 trucks out on one lap.
37 didn't realize the pace trick is going to be out in the house with the leader. I want to thank the folks from Boss Power Tools, Walker Ribbon Wheels and Shops. LG Custom Truck Shop. Electric Star Energy. Associated with winning this thing in RC cars. See Motorsports also. Armor black right now. Brady and Stronghold Engineering. We're helping out with the track rep, of course, again here. This is the Lucas Oil Regional Off-Road Racing Series presented by CarTech Off-Road.
Like Nick Tonelli, Queen Bee of the Beehives, broken down, holding in the center of the track. Always once ahead of you, brother. So it held up Ryan Dunn to remain in first place. He was the leader. Chase truck or the truck never caught up to him, caught him behind him. So Ryan Dunn's in the lead. He'll follow in and pull in right now in front of Dan Van. And there you go. Alright, they're ready to go. Do it. Alright, I can start this thing again. We got Ryan Dunn, Dan Vance, Jonathan Levy, 1492. Way to go, Ryan. Hold off, Libby. Let's go. Ryan Dunn, 1437. He ain't gonna catch him. No gearing. No gearing and no more gear. Come on. Gear. Get going. Tap. Like 43 instead of 650s. There you go, Ryan. Keep it up, brother. Ryan Dunn holding off Jonathan Levy. No problem. Ryan Dunn, just take it easy, brother. Play it smart. That guy cannot catch you. Not enough gearing. Too much.
force him into mistake.
All right, Doug, get back on it, brother, like you did at the beginning. Ain't no joke, you better get on it now. What happened there, Doug? Keep it up, brother. You just stay like you did before. Keep your momentum. Force him to the outside now. There you go, there you go, there you go. Force him out. Great protection. Great protection. Get on it now. Push him out now, Dunn. Push him out again. Go high, go high. Push him way out. Way out, push him. All right, now you better play protective again now. Let's go, Dunn. You go straight in there. Push him out. Push him out. Push him high. Way to go, Ryan. Way to go, Ryan. Make him work for this one. It's all right. Keep going with him. Keep going with him. You'll get him on this one. Don't lift. Don't lift. Push him to the outside. You got lap traffic coming in. Push him to the outside. You dive down. Way to go. Way to go, Ryan Dunn. 1437 on the bottom. Way to go. Way to go. Use that lap traffic. Way to go. Use it. Brake check and come underneath him. Brake check and come underneath him now. All right, now just keep with him then. Stay with him to the last lap, Ryan. Stay with him, right, Doug? Take advantage of this lap track that you have in front of you, Dunn. There you go, there you go. Take advantage of the lap traffic. You got more of it coming up on you. It's going to be good. This is going to be good. Come on, Dunn. Take advantage right here. You got 3 lappers in front of you. Take advantage of it. There you go. Set yourself up. Ryan Dunn, set yourself up to the inside. There you go, Ryan Dunn. Make a run on him. Make a run on him. There you go. Use this lap traffic. Stay on the pipe and go deep into the corner. Follow him through. Follow him through. There you go. Do not lift. Stay with him. Stay with him at the bottom of the hill. Stay with him at the bottom of the hill. Way to go, Ryan Dunn. Stay with him.
Maybe takes a good line around. Time looks to the inside.
Ryan Dunn, play your game here. He's going to make a mistake and you'll get him. Stay consistent. There you go, Ryan Dunn. Get him!
And here comes the white flag.
Come on. Come on, Ryan Dunn. Get that guy. You got it in you, man. You got it in you. Follow that guy around.
Still waiting for a perfect word to come across within that round. Brent Jenkins in third.
There you go, Ryan Dunn. Man up right here. Come on, be smooth. Make a run at him here. He'll make a mistake. Come on. Footsteps down below. Run it all the way in the corner. Run it all the way in. Way to go. Way to go. Way to go. Come on, Ryan Dunn. Run it Run it deep. Run it deep all the way in. You did a good job, dude. Way to go, Ryan Dunn. You killed it, dude. In my mind, you killed it. Looks like Dunn. Dan Chamley, third. No, it couldn't have been. He was down for a while. He's down laps. Here we go. Third right here. 2073 into Beehive. 1407.